Welcome to my channel. Step into a world of elegance and sophistication with the silver branch ball gown, a piece that redefines luxury and grace. This exquisite gown is not just a piece of clothing, it's a work of art, crafted to make every wearer feel like royalty. Whether you are attending a grand gala, an elegant prom, or even your dream wedding, this gown is guaranteed to make you the center of attention. At first glance, the gown captures your eye with its stunning silver embroidery. Intricate silver branches, reminiscent of delicate vines, are carefully woven across the fabric, creating a mesmerizing effect that seems to grow and spread with every movement. These silver threads catch the light beautifully, adding an enchanting, almost magical quality to the gown. The design draws inspiration from nature's beauty, with the soft, flowing branches symbolizing growth and grace. The gown is constructed from premium quality fabrics, including soft tulle and luxurious satin. The combination of these materials not only creates a gown that's visually stunning but also provides comfort and ease. The skirt is full and voluminous, giving the appearance of a true ball gown. As you move, the fabric flows effortlessly, allowing for a graceful, almost ethereal movement. The delicate train at the back adds a touch of drama without overwhelming the overall look, creating a graceful sweep as you walk. What truly sets this gown apart is its structure and fit. The bodice is expertly tailored to create a flattering, figure-enhancing silhouette. The off-shoulder neckline is both romantic and timeless, drawing attention to the neckline and shoulders. This elegant neckline is complemented by the smooth, seamless structure of the bodice, which is designed to fit snugly and comfortably, giving you the perfect balance of support and style. The silver embroidery isn't just decorative, it's a subtle yet powerful statement. The branches are thoughtfully placed to accentuate the natural lines of the gown, creating an illusion of elongation and movement. As you twirl or step into the spotlight, the gown catches the light, making you sparkle and shine from every angle. Comfort is just as important as beauty in the design of the silver branch ball gown. It's made with an inner lining that ensures a smooth and soft fit, while the hidden zipper at the back ensures a seamless, streamlined silhouette. The gown's structure gives you the confidence to move with ease, whether you're dancing the night away or simply enjoying the event. One of the most captivating features of the silver branch ball gown is its versatility. While it's undeniably a show-stopping piece, it also carries a timeless elegance that can fit a variety of formal occasions. It's perfect for proms, galas, high-end parties, or even a destination wedding. Whether you're looking to make a dramatic entrance or simply want to feel like the most beautiful person in the room, this gown ensures that all eyes are on you. Imagine walking into a ballroom or an event, the lights dim just enough to make your gown shimmer like stars in the night sky. The silver branches reflect the soft glow around you, creating an almost dreamlike effect. This dress doesn't just stand out, it creates a lasting impression, turning heads and leaving an unforgettable mark on everyone who sees it. It's not just a gown, it's a statement. A statement of elegance, beauty, and confidence. The silver branch ball gown is for those who dare to dream and are ready to embrace their inner royalty. It's a dress that empowers you, making you feel special from the inside out. To experience the elegance, beauty, and comfort of the silver branch ball gown, you can make it yours for the price of $399. It's an investment in your unforgettable moments and a timeless addition to your wardrobe. If you love seeing stunning gowns like this, and you want to stay up to date on more fashion and tech-inspired content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, All Things Tech, where I share everything from the latest in tech to the most beautiful fashion designs.